Holy shit, Sheila. That's one badass bike. Beautiful.
What? He's gonna jump it. It's a possibility. What's up, buddy?
How you doing? Good luck.
Thank you.
You know, if you ever get a chance to bring a kid to a hill climb, do it, because little kid under 10 years old, maybe 5 years old, once they come, they'll be hooked for life. But hanging out in the pits, having fun. Try Z. What's happening, guys? How are ya? Quadzilla. Gonna send it. Thing's badass. Look at that. Wow, look at this thing. That looks like a monster.
It's a killer.
How many horse you figure that bad boy's putting down? That's more than enough. 80 horsepower. Twin cylinder. That's badass. There's Harley hill climber. That thing's so badass. Wow, that thing sounds incredible. How you doing? Love walking through the pits and checking out all the setups, all the badass bikes and trucks and trailers and all this cool stuff. Look at this thing, 1000cc, 4-cylinder. That thing's a monster. 1000cc. Very cool. Well, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. Helps the algorithm for the channel. Look at this thing. And click the notification bell so the next great video comes out, you'll be good to go. Something for everybody. I've never seen a white big red. Ever. That's cool. That's got to be a rare bird. Must have been a special edition or something. Very much a family sport. Whole family's just hanging out, having a barbecue at the track here. Where there's smoke, there's fire. There's always cool pieces of heavy equipment out here, and you see the coolest trucks in the pits because these guys are all enthusiasts, man. Like this beautiful brand new Jeep Gladiator, the Jeep Wrangler, another Wrangler convertible, kick-ass little vehicles, American made. Big jacked up 4x4 diesels like this one. Lots of cool pickup trucks, Jeeps, 4x4s, everything you need to haul your bike. All part of the moto lifestyle for sure. More Jeeps and 4x4s here, and you'll see anywhere other than a Jeep or 4x4 rally. Here's a nice Toyota Tacoma. A 4x4. There's a big 4x4. John Deere edition. So, found this morning. The guy had an old Dodge for sale, and where there's smoke, there's fire. So this followed me home. A couple of beautiful Toyotas here. Look at this blue one. That is super nice. Love the color. Tacoma 4x4. Some big moto medals on it. 275 65R 20s. Extended cab TRD 4x4 Sport. Dream truck. Got my old diesel dually. Because I got to haul the big trailers and I got a plow on the front so I can plow our driveway. This thing's very much a work truck. Mine is. Another trip to Monson in the books. I'm going to head home to catch the third moto. Maybe part of the second moto, the MX Destinations. Wish I could have been there. Wasn't in the cards. I actually worked till 3 o'clock this morning. We sold 12 motorcycles yesterday and I listed 12 bikes. If you look at the timestamp on our auctions, you'll see the last one was listed at 3:07 a.m., which is 12:07 Pacific, 3:07 a.m. So burning the midnight oil, doing what I love to do, man. I feel blessed. But we're working hard, man, to get it done, make the magic happen. That's Evil Knievel's scramble van right there. Little pup trailer. Very cool. Got the Komatsu dozer. Hey, it may not look like much to you, but that's a little TRX 125 in the back. Makes me happy. Hopefully we'll get her running. So I stopped to look at this antique Dodge Jeep here. Fell in love with it. Might end up trying to get it to the museum. What do you guys think? Should I try to buy that bad boy? Hasn't run in 20 years.